How to make TikTok video private. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about making your TikTok video private. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your TikTok application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account and your app is also up to date. Now tap on your profile in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page and you will see the list of videos that you have posted on TikTok. So if you want to go ahead and change the privacy settings of any video that you want, go ahead and tap on that. Now tap on the three dots that is between this favorites option and the speaker icon. You will come across various options, but simply scroll to the right and there you will see the option of privacy settings, which is between edit post and add settings. Tap on that. Now you will see the section of who can see this post. As my account is private, I only have three options, that is followers, friends, and only you. But if your account is public, you will see the option of everyone, friends, and only you. So go ahead and tap on only you and you'll be done. This is exactly how you can go ahead and make your TikTok video private. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.